Hi, today I'm explaining about camera. Okay, in Flash Animate CC, uh, we use camera because of the scene narrations. It depends on the story and concept. Um, for the camera usage purpose, sometimes we move this. So for the panning shots, close-in, close-ups, and truck-ins and camera tiltings, okay, we use with this. So camera, actually, in the previous animate CC, I mean in previous Flash, not in animate CC, in the previous versions of the animate CC, there were no cameras. Okay, manually we used to give that camera zoom in, zoom outs and pannings and all, but in the latest versions they introduced the camera. Okay, so I'll explain about the camera. Okay, right. For that, suppose this is the camera. In tools there is a camera. If you click on that, in properties they show the properties, the camera properties, positions. Okay, the camera position you can reset in X and Y axis. Here it is a zoom. Okay, the zoom in, zoom outs, it is in 100%. Rotations, how you give the rotations. Okay, and camera color effects. Particularly if you want to mention in any particular color, we use, okay, tint, red, green or blue, and here you can adjust colors also. Okay, the brightness, contrast, saturation and hue. Anyway, when you click on the camera, if you observe here on stage, there is a mark bar. This is like look like the player like. Okay, and here if you observe here, there is a the what is that, the arrow, like the curved arrow. So it is indicating what you can turn your screen, you can turn your stage, so that you can give the rotations. And here this is the camera. So when you click on that, you move these front and back, your camera can move, zoom in, zoom out. Suppose for example here I'm taking here it is, here I'm taking one new layer will create, because yes, here I'm creating here one box. Suppose this much box I want. Okay, so this is my area, scene, whatever. So here I'm extending this up to 100 frames. So insert a frame. Okay, now we can add the camera by clicking on the camera tool. You will get the camera. So it is extended up to your 100 frames, because already your timeline is showing up to 100 frames, so that your camera automatically extended to 100 frames. Okay, so this is the camera layer. It is indicating by the camera, right? So here what I'm doing, suppose the first frame it is. So from first frame up to suppose 25 frames, or otherwise 30 frames, I'm using the same. Okay, then here up to 40 frames, here I'm inserting one more keyframe, and here what I'm doing, see here the hand icon here showing. So you give the zooms. Okay, So not this. Yes, here between this and this, okay, you give create classic twin. So here it is must be the same, copy and paste. I added this in that, so Control Z. So I made a mistake here. Actually here I have to give, yes, this is frame, this is frame, this and this must be the same, copy and paste. Right, here create classic twin. Then here what we do, okay, it is applying to that object. Actually, just a minute, something happened wrong. So what I'll do, let's remove this. Yes, this is my object. Okay, and here at the camera, okay, insert keyframe, not the rotations, create classic twin. When you give Control Enter, yeah, see this, you are zooming into that. Instead of that, directly I'll explain on a picture, then we'll understand that properly. Yes, yeah, I'll get my picture before going to do that. So make it this 24 frames per second. Yes, and from file import to library, and you can find your picture and the name of something forest. Yeah, forest. So I'm getting this picture into animate CC. Then you can find this in library and drag onto the stage. Okay, and suppose this is my picture, press Q and insert into that. Suppose this is, yes, okay. Okay, so this is my picture. Okay, so I use this for up to suppose 145 frames, 6 seconds. Insert keyframe. The text also you can extend below that, and now give the name pick, and create one more layer here and click on the camera. So this is your camera. So up to 2 seconds, the same size I want, okay, and here after 3 seconds, here what I do, I'm giving the zoom level to and particular image, okay. So here, then here to here, give create classic twin, okay, and here what I do, hold this for 1 second, insert keyframe, so that means the same frame will be there, and next here insert a keyframe. Here what you do, you can slowly give the pans, here create classic twin, so we are focusing on the birds here. This I'll extend, this empty layer you can remove, not required. So this frame I'll extend a few more frames up to here, set keyframe. Right, now what I'll do, we are here focusing on bird, then after 1 second holding the same frame, come to here, okay, and here you can create classic twin, and here you can give more zoom, and you can hold that the same frame for 1 second, and then create insert new keyframe, and here what you do, focus here, here you can give create classic twin, okay, and here I'm extending this up to more, suppose here up to 15 seconds I'm planning. So insert keyframe, here also insert keyframe, here also insert keyframe, and here insert keyframe, and here insert keyframe, and here what we are doing, we are focusing this, we are focusing on this. We are covering all these. So any interesting things are there? Yes, here I'll end the camera, right? So here create classic twin, so here to here, zooming out, and next you can insert a keyframe, then here insert keyframe, then what we do, we focus here, we more focus on this, because now we are taking this into okay. And here right click and create classic twin, and here here what we do, here we give the rotations, turn this. See, when you are using here in properties, the values also changing for the camera position, rotation. See the zoom effects we are giving 10%, rotations -34. So when you drag this, the value itself it is changing. So that means what, you can operate your camera from properties by changing the values. You can change the camera positions, or otherwise directly by using this also you can change this. Okay, so here up to here the same camera will continue. Okay, suppose this is the end position. Yes, suppose control enter, you can check what will happen. See this, as per the camera guidelines, we are giving the proper but at the last moment, yes, what I'll do, here the rotations, make it 0. Yes, no more rotations here. Just after this, here to here I'll give rotations. Create insert keyframe, and here give the rotations. Yes, yes, but here at this point control enter, but the side positions you have to cover that. The side white areas are coming into scene. See this perfect. These side areas you have to cover because they're your background. This is here, this must be wider. Check this. Yes, see, the interesting parts, interesting areas we are focusing. Yes, fantastic. See, in real animations, in real time stories, concepts, as per the story direction concept, we give the zoom in, zoom outs to catch the expressions. Okay. Yeah, here to create more interest, here I want to add some music. Import to library, and from desktop there is a small sound file. Suppose this is a bird sound. It is there automatically in here. So there can give best quality of the sound. So best, can drag onto stage. So this is your sound up to here. Okay. Yes, now lock this. So control S, and you can give the control enter. You can observe now. They are not listening the sound actually. Yeah, good, but sound we are not listening in full sound. Anyway, after recording, it will give the sound. Control enter. Yes. So we focused here first, and we are zooming in the bird and all, and here they are playing in water, and again a frog. We are ending that scene. So as per the story guidelines, we use this camera. Okay, it's very easy actually, right? So there is a camera tool. After clicking that, the new layer will add. So there, wherever you want the hold frames, there you can hold. Then you can move and give the holding areas. Suppose it should cover. It is not covering. Yes, it must be here. So this copy and this both are same. Yes. So here we give We have to focus more. Yes. Copy this and paste. Yes, Control S. One more time you can see this. Control Enter. See, we focused here and we are focusing on this bird and owl and water. The bears are playing, and here on frog we are ending scene. So we are telling a simple story with this picture, right? This is the using of the camera. You also can do this, experiment it, you'll understand. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.